Right, so I'm now recording with my OD cam. When you actually press here, the red button, I don't know if you can see that on the app, you'll actually hear on the earpiece it says start recording, so I know I'm actually recording. I've also got the watch on with the remote control, so I can obviously control it from that. And I've changed the resolution, so I've got it at 1080 60, and I think the quality is not bad. It's a grey, miserable day, and I'm walking around my house filming. You can tilt it, so I think it's really quite decent. Also, you can zoom in. So obviously, I'm doing this on the phone. So you can actually zoom right in. I mean, that's pretty good. I think it's very good. I love it. It's not intrusive. I've actually got my glasses on. I'll show you in a second, but I've got my glasses on because I need my glasses to see what I'm doing. So as you can see, I look like a cyborg, but I've got my glasses on. And oh, look, you see, look, it's flashing away. So I just think this is great. And then you can upload this to social media, so I'm going to do that in a sec. I think it's a really nice product, but you can see it looks nice, and you can wear your glasses because people wear glasses, and the glasses don't get in the way of the actual recording or anything. It's not heavy, and I just think it's great. You know, you can spy on people and see what they're reading, like the TV Times. So yeah, I mean, I think this is really quite a cool little gadget, and that's it. So I definitely recommend it. I think it's lovely. I'll take you outside for a sec. Let's have a look in the garden and see what it's like in daylight. You see, it's already the picture quality is getting so much better, but look at that. See, the garden looks nice and pretty. It's rained here a little bit, but and again, you can zoom in and all your bits and pieces, and you can zoom back out. And that's it. But you can change the resolution. I do recommend it. Battery life's very good as well, I'm noticing. And I like that it's showing me that I'm still recording. And that's it. And I'm going to now switch it off. And thanks for watching my video.